Hey, Tequila Dave here. Just a quick video for GP Rider who's thinking about getting into cuffs. Oh, hello, Greg. Great timing. I didn't actually think about this before I got them too much, but where the keyholes are, really changes how easy it is to get out of them. Hardest is basically keyholes towards you like this. If you're starting off and you're practicing, I think they call it Hollywood style, keyholes facing away from you like that. So key, so see, I can do that, and I can, oops, I've dropped the key, I've lost the key. That's the number one tip, always have a spare key. Now in this Hollywood position, I can literally quite easily just go like that and just use the key. That was it really. If you think about it, doing it the other way, well, I'm sure you've seen some other videos before. It's not as easy to. You probably even do it like that, can't you? So yeah, when you're practicing, when you're first starting off, just to make things easier, just to make things a bit safer, Hollywood style. So you can do that. Tequila Dave out.